The Skinny on the Skinnytaste Cookbook. I got this book because I wanted to lose weight. I was pleasantly surprised by the fact that I really liked the foods. Changing your diet to low-fat cooking can take some adjusting, and that is what this cookbook does. What you get are different recipes to try, in a simple-to-use book that you can easily grab and use, even if you are in a hurry. If you are like me, what you have are lots of different kitchen gadgets, supplies, and food on your counters. That is not enough. Finding a great cookbook, one that you can easily use, is equally important. The Skinnytaste Cookbook, light on calories, big on flavor, is that way. The 150 recipes and 100 photos make this the book to change how you eat. You might even lose weight just looking at the tasty pictures. Gina Himolka, the author, provides some of her own, and soon to be your favorite, reduced in calorie recipes. I even found that I could get fettuccine alfredo for under 420 calories per serving. I found lots of comfort food recipes. You don't have to search for them all over the place. The layout of this cookbook is simple. That is what I liked most. I don't spend excess time looking for the meals I want. Even for a vegetarian, on a gluten-free diet, this cookbook easily features each lifestyle diet. Each of the recipes are filed with a color marker. A letter code marks each one, further helping to sort by diet, preference, or style. This was handy when I was looking for a certain type of recipe for an unexpected friend who came calling. For you slow cookers, it includes crock pot meals and tells which ones are freezer-friendly. The only downside is that there is prep work involved for most recipes, so be prepared. Perhaps read the recipe the day before, in case you need to grab an ingredient you don't have. Also, it is a random draw, and if you would like to have a structured diet, you might prefer a program, like the one found in the description box below this video. It is a more simplified way to make a meal plan that you simply follow to a healthier you. It's particularly nice if you don't want more books cluttering your life. One thing I absolutely love about the Skinnytaste Cookbook is that the recipes have a variety of flavors. You know what? Try something new once in a while. I remember I used to only eat vanilla ice cream, and then someone told me to try pistachio. Ick. That must be terrible. But then I tried it, and you know what? It actually is kind of nice. Okay, so I was wrong, and maybe you will be about these recipes. Gina has created flavorful recipes. You won't have to worry about your family kicking the idea to the curb because they don't like the blandness of the meal. I mean, what is the harm in trying? Nothing is more annoying than someone saying they don't like Brussels sprouts because of one bad dish, or worse, they never had the nerve to try them. The cookbook suggests staples to keep around. This saves you time, money, and aggravation. Often recipes use the same ingredients. When you make different recipes from one cookbook, you seem to have to buy new ingredients for each recipe. With the Skinnytaste Cookbook, light on calories, big on flavor, you'll find staples to keep handy, and that alone will cut down on your prep time. Finally, a cookbook that will help you change your diet to a healthy one. One with tons of options. And don't forget to check the video description box below for other meal suggestions. Thank you for watching this video.